Recently, the SDF, through their Something for Talk About social enterprise, held their peace initiative dubbed Culture Shock Extravaganza Football Competition and Fun Day. The event was geared towards community development with the aim of fostering positive ties between marginalized communities and to improve police-citizen relations. The event brought teams of at-risk youth from various communities to compete in a scrimmage tournament on Fleet Street in Kingston. 10 teams participated in the 15 and under knockout competition, while 7 took part in the over 17 contest. Lad Lane and Team 38 contested the under 17 final, with Team 38 winning by 1-0. Southeast were victorious in the under 15 section, beating winning team 1-0.
And we won. My team is so proud, and I love everything.
We engage through sporting activity, then we transition them to educational program. So we have conflict resolution, behavior modification, skateboarding, art, music, drama, everything that we can use to pull a group of youth together and distract them from the negative side of the community.
One of the objectives of the SDF is to support community sports, and this is exactly what we want to support. Projects like this are going to help the at-risk youth and try to keep them on a straight and narrow course, and we have a number of programs of this type that we support.